Welcome back to Yahoo Finance's The Ticker. Checking market action. Major indices largely in the red. The Dow is flat right now. Again, buoyed there by Boeing, which is still up over 6.5%. But let's talk Facebook. That stock today under a little bit under pressure, down about 1% and a third of a percentage point there. So to talk about the new move that they're making to label certain news outlets on their platform, I want to bring on our resident tech expert, Dan Howley, with more. Hey, Dan.
Hey, what's going on? Yes, Facebook is now going to label foreign state-controlled media as such. Previously, if you looked at something like Sputnik, RT, which coincidentally, I don't know if you remember this, but they also had a contract with the New York Taxi and Limousine Commission where they would show RT content in the back of cabs. Besides that, China's People Daily, the mouthpiece of the Communist Party for China, from organizations from Iran, etc. They will all now be labeled as state-controlled media, whether or not they're funded or they have the governments are able to flex some kind of editorial control over those organizations. So a lot of times you may see something shared in your timeline or go to those websites themselves or profiles themselves. Now you'll start to see them labeled as such. And then eventually we will see people, if they do share posts from those groups, those individual timeline posts will then have those marking designations as well. So those aren't coming yet, but will in the future. The actual designation as state-controlled media, though, that's coming now.
It's an interesting move that they're making, especially given the inaction that they wanted to take on the president and his post. But
hey, investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.